The climate crisis is no longer a warning on the horizon, it is now. It is the floods drowning cities, the wildfires choking the skies, and the heatwaves scorching the land. Traditional methods of addressing climate change, from government policies to manual data collection, are moving too slowly. Humanity is running out of time, and in this urgent race against destruction, a new force is emerging as a game changer. That force is artificial intelligence, or AI, with its ability to analyze vast amounts of data, uncover hidden patterns, and automate complex tasks. AI is quietly and powerfully transforming how the world fights back against climate change. It is not science fiction, it is real, and it is happening now. 1. Tracking climate change with unmatched precision. AI has the power to process satellite imagery, historical climate data, and oceanic and atmospheric readings at a scale that is impossible for humans alone. This data, when combined with machine learning models, allows scientists to predict future climate conditions with incredible accuracy. AI tools can detect early signs of drought, changes in sea levels, and the beginnings of extreme weather events long before they become catastrophes. This real-time monitoring and forecasting empower governments and communities to act earlier, reduce damage, and prepare for the future. With AI, we are no longer blind in the storm, we are equipped with foresight. 2. Real-time carbon emission monitoring. One of the most critical problems in fighting climate change is tracking emissions. Many emissions go unreported, whether intentionally or due to lack of infrastructure. AI-powered tools, such as those developed by Climate Trace and other organizations, can now scan the Earth using satellite data and detect emissions from factories, power plants, and even small transportation hubs. These tools use computer vision and deep learning to identify heat signatures, smoke, and gas emissions in real time. The result is a global emissions map that is transparent and up-to-date. This kind of accuracy ensures that polluters are held accountable, and policymakers can create more effective strategies. 3. Supercharging renewable energy. Renewable energy sources like solar, wind, and hydro are key to reducing our reliance on fossil fuels. But their power output is inconsistent. AI solves this challenge by analyzing weather data, grid demand, and system efficiency to optimize energy production and storage. For example, AI can predict a drop in solar output due to cloud cover and automatically shift supply to wind or battery storage systems. This intelligent balancing act makes renewable energy far more reliable and scalable. Energy providers are already using AI to forecast energy demand and prevent blackouts. Every kilowatt counts, and AI ensures that clean energy gets where it is needed, when it is needed. 4. Creating smart and sustainable agriculture. Agriculture is both a victim and a driver of climate change. Farming contributes significantly to greenhouse gas emissions, yet it is also deeply affected by changing weather patterns. AI is revolutionizing how we grow food by introducing smart farming practices. Machine learning models analyze data from soil sensors, satellites, and drones to advise farmers on the best times to plant, irrigate, and harvest. AI can detect crop diseases early, optimize fertilizer usage, and minimize water waste. These tools reduce emissions while protecting yields. Sustainable farming with AI is not only good for the planet, but it is also essential for feeding a growing global population. 5. Accelerating climate science and innovation. AI is not replacing scientists, it is empowering them. In climate science, AI accelerates simulations, designs new materials, and tests thousands of environmental variables in minutes. It can model how a new carbon capture technology will behave in different conditions or evaluate the efficiency of a green building design before it is built. This speed of innovation means faster breakthroughs in renewable energy, sustainable products, and resilient infrastructure. Laboratories and research institutes worldwide are using AI to answer questions that once took years to resolve. In the fight against climate change, time is the enemy, and AI is buying us more of it. 6. Early detection of climate disasters. AI systems are being used to forecast wildfires, hurricanes, floods, and heat waves with increasing accuracy. These systems analyze weather data, land use patterns, and historical trends to identify when and where disasters may strike. Emergency response teams use this information to issue early warnings, deploy resources, and plan evacuations. In wildfire-prone areas, AI can detect changes in vegetation and dryness to anticipate where fires might start. The earlier the alert, the better the response, and AI makes this speed and precision possible. 7. Smarter waste management and circular economy. The planet is drowning in waste, much of it contributing to carbon emissions. AI is helping cities and companies manage waste more efficiently. In recycling plants, AI-powered robots identify and sort recyclable materials at lightning speed, improving recovery rates and reducing contamination. In landfills, sensors combined with AI can detect leaks of methane, a potent greenhouse gas. AI also supports the circular economy by analyzing product life cycles and suggesting design improvements that make goods easier to reuse or recycle. Less waste means fewer emissions and a cleaner planet. 8. Climate-conscious city planning. Urban areas are major contributors to climate change, but they are also where some of the most powerful solutions can be implemented. AI is being used to design smarter cities. It helps optimize public transportation systems, reduce traffic emissions, and manage energy consumption in buildings. For example, AI can control smart thermostats and lighting systems to reduce power usage during peak hours. Urban planners use AI to simulate how changes in infrastructure will affect pollution levels or temperature hotspots. These insights lead to cities that are not only more efficient but also healthier and more resilient. 9. Supporting policy and global agreements. Creating effective environmental policies requires reliable data and strong predictive models. AI helps governments simulate the long-term effects of different climate policies and identify the most impactful strategies. It also aids in tracking whether countries are meeting their emission reduction goals, providing evidence-based reports for global agreements like the Paris Accord. AI removes the guesswork from policy making and ensures that decisions are grounded in science. By bringing transparency and accountability, it empowers leaders to take bold action with confidence. 10. Empowering individuals to act. AI is not only a tool for experts and institutions. It is also empowering everyday individuals to reduce their carbon footprint. Apps now use AI to analyze personal habits and recommend greener alternatives, from transportation and energy use to diet and shopping choices. Some tools even calculate the impact of each action and suggest ways to offset emissions. This technology turns awareness into action, making climate responsibility more accessible. When millions of people make small changes, the collective impact can be massive. AI makes this possible by turning data into daily decisions. Climate change is a challenge unlike any the world has faced. It is complex, urgent, and global. AI does not replace human responsibility. It enhances it. It makes our actions smarter, our solutions faster, and our decisions clearer. The future of the planet will not be saved by technology alone, but with the right tools and the right intentions, AI can be one of the most powerful weapons in our arsenal. The revolution in climate solutions is here, and it is powered by data, intelligence, and determination. Like and subscribe for more deep dives into how AI is shaping the future of our world, one solution at a time.